a favor. Can you use it in wallet? Yeah, do you have it?
Look at that, guys. They are so busy because there's so many people on queue. In 200 meters. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon, meron na naman tayong panibago adventure. So, I'm with Deng and with two girls, but today it's a different driver. Do you see the girls? Yeah, a sexy driver. So, we're going for Chendul. It's kind of like quite busy today. It's also raining, hopefully not.
No, it's raining now.
Yeah, so let's go and see you in a bit, guys.
Penang here. Up there. I like to eat this ice kacang there. Right.
So everybody's talking about this chendol. It's a famous, guys, hill in Penang, in Georgetown. Summer is expert for that, so I think.
Yeah, you can
So
say that.
what's your experience about this chendol?
I've tried this before. The ice kacang and chendol is quite nice, so we can try again.
Yeah. So and after this, where we going, guys? We're going for laksa.
Char kway teow.
Chekatiao. So
Maybe we
I
can
don't
get
know
oyster
everything about
omelette
that.
as
So
well.
let's try about that. So excited! Woohoo! So this. Look at that. That's so fast. See guys, this is how long the queue. This is all waiting for Chendol. So this is Georgetown. This is a famous for Chendol. So our friend is waiting for Chendol.
Chendul.
Chendol. That's a calling Chendol. No, look at that. So guys, this is just eating for Chendol. So look at that, guys. So he's selling for any souvenir over there. And then people here waiting for chendol.
Mana mau lari? Jendai banyak ada. Satu kontainer pula.
Look at that, guys. Everybody standing over there to eat chendol. Look at that.
Makan dulu baru makan dulu baru
So busy. Still long queue.
makan dulu.
This is all chendol. Look at that, guys. They are so busy because it's so many people on queue. And as you can see, some queue over there. And some restaurant is there too.
小的比较容易，大的比较麻烦，大的。小的。小的对，也是一样的。Ma'am, do me a favor. Can you use it in wallet? Yeah, do you have it? It's okay, it's okay. Tunggu thanapan ya. Hello, 我是老板娘。
And look at that, it's really a long queue for this candle. So guys, right now we already bought this chendol, this calling. So this is the color, this is the one. So this how look like. And now we going to Assam Laksa, also famous is in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. So we are here, guys. So it's kind of like, I hope it's not that rain. And yeah, people also a bit on queue here. It's not like the Chendul one, but it's really close. the chendol and the laksa, they are like it's not that far. So that chendol is over there, and this is the Assam laksa. So everybody. So how is it, guys? Look at it. This is.
You need to do like this now.
Everybody eating that chendol.
Lisa, try.
I'm taking video. Tastes good?
Dapat talaga lang ko yung holding ko.
This is so yummy, guys. It's so really yummy. So look at that color. It's kind of purple pink. It's really beautiful. That big, a big cube ice over his heel. It really tastes good. And they got gulaman also. Perfect. So that's everybody waiting for laksa. Look at this queue. So they are on the queue already now.
We're going in soon. We're going in soon.
Very busy po. Halo, halo.
Ano yan?
It's really nice.
Sarap. Ang sarap. Nice.
Just give it a lot of
Sedap in Malay.
Nothing. Here we go in now.
Yeah?
So they are so busy and kind of like a small restaurant, so it's not much people can get in. So you need to wait and on the queue. But we can take our drink here. So we just order for the laksa and we have already. That's So you remember, guys, the previous video we go for durian, and this is the girl and the same girl, and this is Deng, and that's you remember the beautiful sexy girl. This is Summer, and a mother beautiful Vietnamese girl. It's Hannah.
Okay. Thank you, Lisa.
So we are waiting for our laksa.
Bida.
Well, we look like a big eater.
So we have laksa, then we have char kway teow.
Wow.
It's coming there.
Empat ya?
Yeah, empat.
Sekejap satu lagi. Panas.
Okay, thank you.
Naik kakak.
Hati-hati.
Sekejap satu lagi.
Okay.
Wow. So this is what is this?
Char kway teow.
Charcoal
Char
kotiao.
kway
This
teow
one
and this oyster
oyster
with egg.
with egg. So this is the Assam laksa.
Yeah, this asam laksa.
So we have three. Oh, okay.
36 kakak.
Enam kau ke RM6?
Iya. Bagi 30. Ini kakak.
Later we,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, this is 36 plus
So they give you this sauce. I don't know what is this. It's kind of like
we don't like
shrimp.
Like total everything and then because it's not like last
don't
time.
forget how much I want. So we have to mix this one, yeah?
Yeah. The one is the shrimp paste.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Look at this, guys. Wow.
Try this, guys. And this one as well.
This with the oyster. Very small, huh? Oh, nice. Yummy. Yeah, nice, huh? You drink the soup? Do you drink the soup? No.
I sip it.
So, I'm finished.
You too? Yeah. Yeah. We're getting full.
Oh, they have here too. What is this?
See, they have dim sum here as well. Right?
Yeah, Hannah. The Harry Potter place.
So it is raining now, guys. So we're going back to the car, and I think I'm gonna just end the video here. So yeah, so because we can't just even go walk anywhere because it's raining. It start raining now. It's so dark. So I'm gonna just end the video here, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.